Going to do a maintenance on a whole house generator today. Generac 24 kW. I ordered the kit. Comes with the filter, a couple spark plugs, and the air filter. All right, let's get started. Open the puppy up. Okay, let's turn this off. All right, here's where you drain the oil from. Unscrew this, put it in your pan that's going to receive the oil. Get some air in there. Get this to flow. Open up the spring and take out the filter. This one looks pretty good, but I'm going to change it out. Okay, it stopped flowing, so I'm going to go ahead and put the cap back on. Then I'm going to remove the oil filter, and then we're going to fill it up. With your new oil filter, get a little oil and put it on the rubber seal. This will help seal it. Just put a little layer on there and go ahead and put your oil filter on. Now you don't over tighten these, but get it on there good by hand and it'll be fine. Clean up any of the oil that you've spilt inside. Clean it up with a rag, get it all nice and clean. Okay, now we're going to fill it up with the oil. You use a synthetic oil. I like the mobile one. Go ahead and continue to fill it up and keep checking it and make sure that it's full, but do not overfill it. Okay, I've waited a couple minutes. It's still not full. You do not want to overfill. So I'm going to put a little bit more in, and then we'll check it again. Pull it out, clean it up, dry it off. Wait a little bit. Okay, now we're going to change the spark plugs. We have one on this side and there's one on this side. It's a little bit more difficult to get to, but let me take them out. Okay, these are 5/8. Okay, this is the old one and the new one. I didn't think it was going to be time to change it, but this is an emergency generator, so it should be changed. Check your manual, make sure you gap it properly. These are aluminum heads, so you make sure you get them so they don't get cross-threaded on you. Get them started. Okay, get the spark plug cap on. And now I'm going to work on the other one. This one back here is a left tougher, so I had to use this. Here it's coming out easy. Okay, spark plugs are changed. Air filters changed. Oil filters changed. And oil is full. Okay, we're going to put it back on auto. Okay, flip the breaker back on. Let's get the other switch on. Lock her back up. All right, building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one.